So here you are, guys. After breaking the coconut, this is how you take it out the shell. Shell is right here, and this is the flesh. You put your knife like here between the shell and the flesh, and just put some elbow grease on it. Got to like go underneath, in between, and shimmy. See, just like I'm doing right here. See, and it's out. This is what it is. Shell is here, coconut is here. So this part here I have to take it off because I'm making white grater cake, straight white. So I have to take off the outer brown layer. Take your knife and just peel off this brown layer here. Just like this. You gotta be careful with the knife if you're not skilled. So this is what it's looking like, guys, all white. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of it. Then I'm gonna grate it with my grater. If you are new here, guys, my name is Bean Sonia Williams. Thanks for stopping by. You are most welcome. And those of you already subscribed to my channel, thanks a lot. Road to 1K, still on the journey. Remember, guys, to like, comment, share. Let's interact together. Let's interact. That's when you're gonna help me to, you know, get my watch hours and all that. I need your support. All right, share it with your friends, your relatives. Give it a like, comment. Put on your notifications so you could be notified when I upload. All right, so now it's time to grate the coconut. So this is the old-fashioned grater, and all you gotta do is keep going up and down. Be careful not to cut your fingers. And guys, don't throw away your piece of chunky coconut. It's good to chew on that. This is my freshly grated coconut right here. All right, so this is what I'm going to use to make my white grater cake. So over here I have ½ pound of white sugar. Put it inside my pot with my water. So it's ½ pound of sugar with about like 2 cups of water. I'm gonna allow that to boil a little, and then I will come back to put in my coconut. So over here I have my coconut all prepped, grated. This is what it's looking like. We have some chunks in there, like this piece. This is very nice when you finish. This is very nice in the grater cake, guys. Biting on these little chunks. So don't throw these away. This is very nice when the grater cake is all done. All right. So this is, as you can see, it's all white. There's no browns, because I peeled off the brown area from the white part. So ready to go. Now I'm gonna add it to my pot with the sugar and water. Coconut is in, looking so nice and pretty. Allow that to reduce somewhat and I'll show you the next step. This is how we're looking so far, guys. The water is reducing. As you can see, we still have a long way to go because the water has to dry out completely. I made this grater cake before, but I put the pink on the top. This time it's gonna be straight white grater cake. I'm doing this for one of my clients. As you can see, it has reduced significantly, and this is the time when you have to stay close to the pot so that you can continue stirring. Still have a long way to go. As you can see, we still have, look, water still in it. But we're getting there. We are getting there, see? I'm feeling that I'm gonna need a little more sugar, but that's okay. I'll fix it because this is the way I cook. I don't really measure stuff too much. I just have a feel for, you know, what I'm doing. So there's no rule when I'm cooking. I can just fix it later on. If it needs more sugar, I'll put more sugar in. You might ask, what is a good time to take it out the pot and it's ready? When it's really hard to turn and the sugar caramelizes, then you know that, you know, it's time to take it out and plate it, put it to dry. So extremely hard to move. Right now, if you're looking at it, it is easy to turn around because what? We have water in it. We still have water in it. Even though the sugar is caramelizing, we still have water in it. So we have to get it to that point where it's extremely hard to turn. Like when you're turning it like that, it's hard to go. And then you know that it's at a stage where it will stick because we have to solidify it when we take it out of the pot to put it to dry. We want it, the goal is, I don't know, some people make it, I think some people like it when it's a little shelly, but as for me, I need a solid piece of grater cake, not the ones that is breaking up. No, that's not how I make my grater cake. So I'm feeling a little, you know, resistance in turning, so I know that I'm getting there. Alright, so see now it's looking like this now. So we keep stirring. So as you notice, guys, I didn't put no nutmeg or vanilla and all those things because I don't want it to turn the color of the white grater cake. I just want to keep it white. So the only ingredients here is the water, the sugar, and the coconut. That's it. At this point, you have to continue stirring because it's getting to a point where it's sticking. The sugar is sticking to the coconut. But we still have water there. We have to keep going. So guys, the water dried out, but I need to let it go some more. I'm not feeling that hard pull any yet. I'm not feeling that hard pull yet. So that's how I know I need to let it go down some more. It will still have some moisture in it, too much. Even though the water all sucked out, I feel moisture in it. So keep stirring, We're not there yet, almost there though. So I prepared a plate with a piece of parchment paper that I'm gonna lay it on because it's gonna be easier to get it off. It's gonna be easier for it to dry. You can also, if you have a plate, you can wet the plate with some water. After drying, then you can take it out easily, but it's better with the parchment paper. So guys, I'm getting ready to turn the flame off. Feel like I'm at the point where I have to be fast about this. So here you go, guys. Grater cake is all ready. On the parchment paper, got to be fast about this. And now I'm spreading it out so that it can dry. There you go, guys. I'm gonna give it some time to dry up. So this is how you make your grater cake if you want it to be solid. This is how you have to do it. You have to allow it to really go down, suck out all the water like I showed you, and then you're gonna get a solid piece of grater cake, not shelling up. All right, so I'm gonna get a close up. This is how it's looking. Alright, so we're gonna give it some time to dry. So guys, the grated cake is all dried, see? And I'm gonna cut it. Alright. So I need to let it dry a little more. It's right here, all done. Another piece is right here. And there you go, guys. Right grated cake. So this is a little piece right here, see? Not too dry. Have a little have a little moisture in it, and that's it. Grated cake is all done. Thanks for watching. My name is Bean Sonia Williams. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and touch up your notifications.